In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add online payment services to Xero invoice templates. By the end, your invoices will clearly tell customers how to pay online, which can speed up payments and reduce back and forth. Start in your Xero organization. From the main menu, open sales to get to your sales and invoicing area. Next, go to Invoices to see your invoice list. Select any invoice you have on hand. We're only using it as a quick pathway to the template settings, so it doesn't matter which one you open. With the invoice on screen, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More menu, typically near the top of the page. Open that menu and choose Invoice Settings. This jumps you out of the individual invoice and into the place where your invoice templates live. In Invoice Settings, locate the template you normally use when sending invoices to customers. If you use more than one, pick the one you want to update first. Open its Options menu, then choose Edit. This opens the template editor, where you control layout and default text. Find the section labeled Terms and Payment Advice. This is the message area your customer sees on every invoice that uses this template. In that box, type the details about your online payment service. Keep it clear and action-focused. For example, you might reference the Pay Now button if you've enabled a payment provider in Xero, or note the name of your payment service and any key instructions a customer needs to complete payment. Include what helps them succeed on the first try, like accepted card types, any reference they should use, or timing expectations for when a payment is considered received. Keep it concise, avoid jargon, and do not paste any sensitive information. No passwords, secret keys, or anything you wouldn't want widely shared. If you need line breaks, add them to make the instructions easy to scan. Take a moment to proofread. Make sure the message matches your brand tone, is consistent with your payment terms, and won't confuse customers who prefer other payment methods. If you operate across regions or currencies, add a brief note to clarify which methods apply. When you're happy, click Save. From now on, any new invoice created with this template will automatically include the online payment instructions you just added. Existing invoices you've already issued won't change. And if you use multiple templates, repeat these edits on each one you actively send to customers. That's it. You've added online payment service details to your Xero invoice template, making it simpler for customers to pay you quickly and accurately.